What am I making today? I'm making wands. These are dragon wands. Look at the detail on that. Can't wait to paint them. Aren't they pretty? And they extend out. Look, see how those are the layers, and then you flex your wrist and it pops out and they get longer. And you can only, it said, you know, you print one, so I went ahead and added 3 more to it, and it's working out great. So I've got 4 wands that I'm making, and Ripley just walked into the room, and that's why you heard his voice. Say hi, Ripley.
Hi.
Head back. We still have about an hour left of printing. Maybe a little less than an hour. That is so cool. Can't wait to get my hands on them to play with them. 60-year-old lady wants to play with dragon wands. Look at the detail. See how the dragon goes up around and then it comes over here. Look. See? All right. That's pretty cool. See how much detail we can get in there. Look at that. Look at that detail. It is so fascinating to know that I can do this with just a couple of little buttons. So cool. All right, we'll be back. So here we go. I got a few little strings up here for the end. Look at that. Look at the detail. Wow. Look at that. And you take it off. Here, Ripley. See? Ripley. And gotta open it up here. Hang on. And somehow or another, it's supposed to open. So we're gonna figure this out, and then I'll be back. So here it is, the wand. And it goes back in. And the dragon, holding on to, it's called a dragon wand. That is so cool. Well, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think, and I'll come back and show you how I'm gonna paint them. I gotta clean this up a little bit on the top. All right, y'all have a blessed day. Bye.